Well, today we have here what is this device to which we are going to be able to recover in a very easy and simple way. In this video tutorial we are not going to use the PC. We are going to use a method totally without a PC, and what we are going to do, well, recommendation, watch the video tutorial step by step to be able to solve what is this problem of this screen lock of our device. Previously we could recover our phone by just pressing the power button, volume down button at the same time. When it restarted we would release the volume down button, holding the volume up button, and when it showed the logo we would release the power button so we could enter recovery mode. But this function is no longer working. Now what we have to do is connect it to the PC. But in this video tutorial we are not going to use the PC. We are going to use a method totally without a PC, and how we are going to do it. Well, we are going to explain what we have to do to be able to recover what is our device if you forgot the screen lock. Well, we are going to use what is a USB-C cable with both ends. These phones already come with these cables. Nothing more. What we have to do is use it, and we are going to use what is another additional phone. We are going to connect what is this cable to another device that has the same port input, and we are going to see that our phone, the one that we need to show charging, would be this one. Then we are going to connect it. Let's see, it shows the other one charging. Then if it shows you the other one charging, what you are going to do is flip the tip so that this one charges. It is not showing that one either, so what you are going to do is change to both tips. You pass this one here and you insert another one there. Ready? Let's see, now it is still showing. So now we turn to the other side and it now shows us here. As you can see, it is no longer showing. Now we are going to press the power button, volume down button at the same time. We touch the screen to see when the phone restarts. When our phone restarts we release the volume down button, holding the volume up button, and when it shows the logo we release the power button. Then we are going to enter what is this recovery mode. Now what we are going to do is go down to where it says wipe data factory reset. With the power button we select it. With the power button we click where it says reset factory settings. Ready? And now with the power button, the first option, so that our phone can restart, and we can now remove this list. Ready? Now what we have to wait is for our phone to restart correctly so we can configure it. Well, since our phone completely restarted, what we are going to do is to be able to configure it. We are going to configure it here. What we are going to do is remove the SIM card. We are going to remove the SIM card. Ready? We remove the SIM card so the SIM card is gone from there. Now we give it go here in jump. We are going to jump. We are going to give it here in jump so we will be able to recover what is our device if it had that screen lock, and as we can see it was not left with the Google account or the Gmail account. That easy we have recovered our device. Ready?